Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Aya, and today's video is a quick and easy tutorial for the last minute Ramadan decoration. I needed more star banners but ran out, so I told myself it's time to put those Bigz dies to use. I am using my old red Sizzix star dies along with Sizzix heart and star scallop dies. These dies are discontinued, but you might still find them on eBay or in Sizzix stash groups on Facebook. For the crescent moon, I'm using my Creative Time Stitch Circle dies. If you don't have circle dies, you can trace a plate or any round shape to achieve the same effect. Bigz dies require a Sizzix machine, but I tested them on my Spellbinder Platinum and they work just fine. I personally love and use the Sizzix switch machine for die cutting. Since I ran out of silver and gold glitter paper, I opted for double matte cardstock in a dark orange shade. To speed up the process, I folded my paper in half before die cutting. This allows me to cut double the shapes in one pass. Bigz dies are strong and can cut through multiple layers of paper, unlike the thin metal dies, which usually cut just one heavy cardstock layer. To create the crescent shape, I filled an entire sheet with different size circle dies and die cut them. Then I slightly shifted the same circle die and cut again to form the crescent. If you don't have a circle dies, no problem. Simply trace a plate, shift it a little bit, trace again, and cut it. Works the same way. The leftover cutout looks like a lemon shape. I attempted to cut another crescent from it, but it was too small for the circle die. Now it's time to assemble. So I played around with the arrangements of the stars, scallop stars, and heart. Initially, I considered adding the crescents, but since they are thinner than the stars, so I decided to create a separate banner for them. To string them together, I used a small paper punch to create holes and threaded them with DMC, Diamond Grande Metallic thread. It's from Honeybee Stamps. To keep the thread hidden, I threaded behind the shapes and secured everything with washi tape on the back to prevent shifting. And voila, a simple star garland is ready. You can take this to the next level by adding elements to the center of the star, such as alphabet letters, flowers, or any decorative accents. For the crescent moon banner, I spaced out the crescents evenly on my glass mat, secured the thread at both ends with washi tape, and then adhered the thread to the back of each crescent using more washi tape. Looking at it now, I thought of another idea, a moon phase banner. It would be so fun and more meaningful since Ramadan starts by observing the crescent moon and ends by observing the next crescent after a full lunar cycle. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.